Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Odooistic. Today, I'm excited to show you how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Whether you are new to Ubuntu or just looking to get Chrome set up, I will walk you through each step. So, as you can see, I'm on Ubuntu system at the moment. There is no Chrome installed, and we have Firefox. So we can just click on Firefox, guys, and we can just type there Google download. That that keyword will take you to the web page. Download Google Chrome. Once you click that, you will have the Google Chrome browser built to be safe. It can be yours by just clicking download Chrome. Very popular web browser, and by clicking download Chrome, you will see a pop-up which will say 64-bit.deb and 64-bit.rpm. In our case, we will click on 64-bit deb because deb used by Debian-based distributions like Ubuntu, Debian. Once you click that, download has been started, and you can see that that icon where you can go and see all your downloaded features. So if you go in your downloads, you can see Google Chrome. Google Chrome package has been installed, and to unpack that, you just need to click on terminal, command terminal, and then first thing you need to do, you need to write cd downloads, and please ensure the first capital D is uppercase. Then with ls command, you can just see that what you can find in there. We just have got one directory, which is Google Chrome stable current AMD 64.deb. And to unpack this package, you can just write this command sudo dpkg -i, and then you type Google and then press tab. Automatically, it will complete the whole thing. It can fetch that directory, and after that, it will start unpacking Google Chrome stable. And then also update alternatives, also processing triggers for game menus, desktop, and everything. So it has been completed. Type exit, and you will be out of it. You can close everything, all the menus, and then when you will just click on the corner icon, you will see Google there, Google Chrome there. You can right click and click pin to dash. That will add in your left menu Google Chrome as well, and voila, it has been installed. This service, this beautiful browser is at your doors. You can just press Google Chrome now, and you will see this pop-up, make Google Chrome the default browser, and automatically send usage statistics and crash reports to Google. You can, well, it's up to your choice. You can do whatever you like. In our case, we will check these two, and after that, in this page, we can sign in, or we can also do not sign in. It's up to you. We don't sign in, and then next page, you can see turn on and add privacy feature. I would say turn it on. Why not? And then other add privacy features now available as well. We can got it, and that's it. It is there. Guys, now you can just go in any website. You can search anything in the world. I believe you just love this video. If you like it, please like it, love it, share it with your friends, and we will be coming with the best service again and again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.